What's up, friend? Today we're cooking a very healthy and affordable Filipino dish from the Ilocos region. Ilocano dishes are known to always have vegetables, just like in today's recipe of labong with saluyot or bamboo shoot with jute leaves. Let's get started! Here are the ingredients. 2 cups labong or bamboo shoot. Some bamboo shoots can have a chemical taste. Remove the chemical taste by boiling the bamboo shoots in water for 5 minutes. 1 cup tinapa or smoked fish. You can use almost any fish that you like. 1/3 cup bagoong isda. 1/8 cup garlic. 4 cups water. 2 cups saluyot or jute leaves. The ingredients are very affordable. Now let me show you how easy it is to cook labong with saluyot. First, boil 4 cups of water. Put 1/3 cup bagoong, garlic, and smoked fish. Cook for 1 minute, then put 2 cups labong or bamboo shoot. Cook for another minute. Put saluyot and then boil for another 2 minutes. That's it! You can use almost any fish that you like, such as tilapia, bangus, galunggong, dried shrimp or hibi, dilis, and more. There's no rule on what vegetables you can add to Ilocano-style dishes. So, let me know in the comment section below. What ingredients would you add to this recipe to make it a special dish of your own? Don't forget to hit the like button if this video made you hungry. Thanks for watching! See you in the next video!